On this segment of Beauty with Jalia, we are talking hand and nail care. I'm showcasing two products, one by London Town and one by IYOU. Stay tuned for more. Beauty Bridge is one of the leading online retailers for all things beauty, skincare, bath and body, fragrance, hair, cosmetics, nail, and personal care products. And welcome back to this episode of Beauty with Jalia. We're talking all things hand and nail care. And I've chosen to highlight two specific products dealing with the hands and the nails. Hand gloves by IYOU and London Town nail lacquer. I have a nail base and a nail polish that we'll showcase, as well as these amazing gloves that are great for moisturizing. So I have my lovely model Emily here with me, and what we're gonna do is showcase the IYOU hand gloves. This product is a treatment specifically for the hands. And what we're gonna do is basically take the hand gloves out of the bag and we're gonna put them over her hands, and the product is going to penetrate for about 10 to 15 minutes. We've selected the product that has the moisturizing tea in it. That way, if she has any sensitivities, we don't have to worry about any reactions. But the IYOU brand has several different types of the hand gloves that you can choose from. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. So once you open up the package, you want to immediately put the gloves on. You'll open up the glove. You'll see that it's perforated, so you'll be able to rip them apart in order to place one on the left and the right hand. You'll slide your hand in the bag, and there's a little sticker on the outer corner near the wrist so that you can tighten it accordingly. And then you allow the gloves to sit and penetrate for 10 to 15 minutes. Once you take them off, you'll be able to discard and have nice hydrated hands. So the gloves have had 10 to 15 minutes to penetrate, a true 10 to 15 minutes. So we're gonna go ahead and remove them now. And you'll see that they have a nice gloss over the top of them. You're not going to rinse this off. You want to rub this directly into the hands just like it is lotion. So go ahead and rub your hands together for me. And once it completely dries, you'll be ready for your polish application and your hands will be nice and moisturized. So now that we have completely hydrated Emily's hands, we're gonna go straight into the nail polish application. And we're using two products by London Town, which is their nail lacquer and their base coat. The base coat is a hardening base coat, but it also acts as a top coat. Now this is an awesome base. I actually applied this base just by itself to my nails about a week ago, and it hasn't chipped off at all. So we're gonna put this on first, and then we'll follow it by this mauve nude tone nail polish. Thank you for watching this episode of Beauty with Jalia here on Beauty Bridge. Make sure you're taking care of your hands and nails, whether you're male or female. And we want you to continue to like, comment, and share this video here on YouTube and subscribe. Until next time, thank you for watching. Be sure to visit beautybridge.com to learn more about these fabulous products that we featured, and subscribe to our YouTube channel at Beauty Bridge.